Welcome back to the channel today, guys. We're going to get right into the story today. Godox reached out to us and sent us 2 mini flashes to try out, and I already had the other 2 mini flashes, so we're comparing all 4 of them in this video. So we are comparing the Godox IM20, the Godox IM22, the Godox IM30, and the Godox IA32. Now, all three of these flashes are $35 or less. This particular one, I believe, was $49. Kyla agreed to model these for us. We did not do a model shoot per se. We're doing a flash test, so don't view the pictures as a model shoot, because I just had her in the same spot for everything so that we'd have the same distance and everything to compare. So, you know, keep that in mind. This is a flash test, not a model shoot, even though she did a wonderful job. So let's get into the video and check this out. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm going to demo the 4 flashes I just showed you, and thanks again to Kyla for coming out today to model for us. I appreciate it. Life is so busy and she gives us so much of her free time. I seriously appreciate her so much, and her pictures look fantastic too. So we are going to get started with the flashes. We're going to start with the smallest one, the IM20. It is the lithium battery. We'll start with it, then we'll go to the other 3. All right guys, so we have on the IM20, it is about the smallest of the entire group. It's got 5 different settings. We're going to jump through one at a time. We're going aperture priority. We're going to use the same RF Canon 50 lens on all 4 flashes. Keep everything in the same spots. There you go. That looks good. Good smile. And as always, she looks great. So let's up it a power notch and see what we... Okay, guys, we have ran into some insane wind outside. So I had it going. I'm not going to run any more of the actual video shooting outside. I'm just going to get into the pictures, and they're going to be labeled. Put on the music so you can see which pictures are which. And at the end of this video, I will tell you my opinion about all of these flashes. So let's roll the pictures. Alright guys, well, I think they all looked pretty good, especially being such small flashes. I mean, this flash, I was trying to see if I had my Godox V1 flash, the big Pro flash, but I don't have it in front of me. These flashes are just so little. I think the 3 smallest ones did a great job. The IM20 runs off lithium battery, so you charge it. The IM30 and the bigger IA32, they run off batteries. So if you like dealing with batteries, you'll like these. If you like recharging, then you'll like the IM22 and the IM20. Now, of all of these, number one, I prefer having a lithium battery. That's just me. But of these 4 flashes, the one that I prefer the most is the IA32. Now, not only does it have where you can bounce the flash. Now, I didn't do any bounce flash pictures because we were outside, and obviously, you know, this is not going to bounce off the sky. So I kept the flash right at her. But you do have the ability to bounce this flash just by turning this knob. You do have to be careful sometimes, because I did it the other day. I had bounced it, and then I was shooting some pictures of it, and you can't see unless you look in there that it's pointing up. So you're going to have to keep an eye on that to make sure it is pointing at the subject, or bouncing. You have to literally look at it to make sure which way it's going. But I think of all of them, I like the IA32 the best. It gave me just a little more pop than the other flashes, although the other ones did fine. And we had so much incredible wind out there, and her long hair was just blowing. But she was a trooper. She did a great job. And I think all four of these Godox flashes, I mean, these three, the IM30, IM22, and the IM20 are all $35 or less. And this one is only $49.95, the IA32. It does use batteries. That's the one downfall. I prefer lithium batteries, but with these flashes, I like the output of the IA32. What did you guys think about the pictures? I wish I could have ran the whole model shoot, but it just got so crazy windy that I couldn't even hear myself on the microphone. You saw at the beginning of the video when I introduced, the wind was blowing pretty bad, then it calmed down, but right after that it just like kicked up crazy. So I decided didn't want to make you sit through bad sound and crazy wind and that sort of stuff, so we cut straight to the pictures. Let me know what you guys think about all the pictures. I think they all did a really good job, especially to be so small. I mean, look how small this IM20 is, even to this Godox IA32. Look at the difference in that. That's just incredible that you could get hardly any power output out of an IM20 and get it for less than $35. But I'm impressed with all of them. Let me know what you think if you guys have any of these small ones. Now, let me say one thing that should be obvious, but I know we have a lot of new people watching. These four flashes, these are travel flashes. These are fun, family type flashes. Don't go to a wedding with one of these flashes, okay? If you're going to be shooting weddings, you're going to need a pro in flash. Just want to clear the air. I don't want anybody to say, well, Daniel said this flash was great, so that must mean I can go do a wedding with it. No, not at all. These are for traveling, family events, that sort of thing. They're not professional flashes. They are good flashes, and they are great to travel with because they weigh nothing. I travel with them constantly. But if you're doing big paid shoots, you need to get into the pro line of flashes. That's a whole different scenario. I just wanted to clear that up. I know most of you guys know that, but for some of you new guys, I just wanted to keep it clear that you understood that I'm not saying these are pro line flashes to go make money with. They're good to have, to carry, travel, family, that sort of thing. But anyway, guys, I'm going to quit yakking. I yak a lot. I know I do. I apologize. But thanks again to Kyla. Let me know what you guys think about the pictures that you saw, which ones you liked best. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you're having these flashes, let me know how you like it. So anyway, guys, I appreciate it for helping you out. Give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And you guys have a great day. Thank you.